No, I'm not mad.
Yes, you are. You look mad.
No, I'm not mad.
And because he just jealous that I have a nice jawline. You rolled.
What?
That's what. Oh, wait, my bad. What happened to your hair? It's not a bowl cut anymore. It used to be a bowl
Here,
cut.
I'm bald.
No more bowl cut? No.
Robux?
Bowl cut, your hair.
Yung hair mo
It's not a
daw,
bowl
it's
cut.
like, ano, parang bulky siya, parang ano. Okay.
Bro, why?
You need nga na magano ng haircut. Diba sabi ni Tito Kaloy? Kailangan mo lang magpagupit.
Why?
Hoy, parang ang dilim yung kay Ate Trina.
Wala sa ilaw.
Nagpatay kayo ng ano, ng light? Bakit parang madilim?
Buksan mo yung guys.
Ang dilim.
Hindi masyado makita ni, ano, ni Kuya.
Hindi, ganun mo doon. Doon. Kian, do you know what viewing is? Do you know what viewing is? Tapos buksan mo yung ilaw.
Ano? Si Ate Trina din, kamusta yung school niya, yung mga friends niya.
I can't hear you. The other one. Yan. Oh, yan.
Oh, sa Tagalog.
Ayan,
Sa
maliwanag
kayo
na.
ng Tagalog yan.